just a shooter. Hey y'all, I finally got up off the couch. Gonna finish grinding up this deer meat we've cleaned up and chunked up, make a little burger. Just gonna do a little vid and let you know about this Guide Gear 350 watt electric meat grinder from Sportsman's Guide. Less than 60 bucks. Thought about getting one for years and finally decided to. Looked at the hand crank models, they were upwards of $25 and $30, so $20 more, $25. Went ahead and got this electric one. We used it the other night to grind up some stuff to make jerky with, and extremely impressed with it. This will be real quick, just show you everything about it. There's the base itself. It's got a short little electric cord. Comes with all the fittings to make it work, including a small little hopper, ding, your pusher, so you don't grind your little fingers up, cutting blade for the inside, and then it's got these other options for making sausage, putting the meat into the casing, 3 different size grinding heads. Ding ding. Just same thing, just different size holes in them. We're doing this for burgers, so I'm just gonna put it on the middle. Real neat little trick. Like I said, really impressed with it. On, turn your button down here to in the down position. Got reverse in case you need to back everything up and clean it out. And we got this bowl of deer here that we've cleaned and chunked up. Looks a little pale, that's because we've had it soaked in water to get all the excess blood out. And we're going to get this thing put together and we'll be back and start making some burger here shortly. So that's a little example of the operation of it, guys. Got this nice little bowl of deer here. Probably just go ahead and, instead of wrapping it and freezing it, just leave it in the bowl and making some spaghetti or meatloaf or something tomorrow. But it's a real good grind. I didn't get to show you the reverse feature of the grinder because there was no need in it. It didn't get hung up. We'll go a little farther into it in a minute. Completely disassembles. Easy clean. Just got a little lock button right there. You actually mount it right here and then match the lock button and twist it up where you want it. Got the screw on keeper. Then your head. Your cutting blade comes out. Then a little push auger comes out. Got a little meat left in there. That's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's simple. Works well. It gets warm, but not hot. Hello, telephone. It's got a short cord on it. That's why I've got it sitting right here. I didn't want to go through the trouble of finding an extension cord, but that's no big deal. But it does a really, really, really good job with the meat. If you can see that. And for 60 bucks or less, I 100% recommend it. They don't give me anything free for saying this. If anybody from Sportsman Guide is listening and would like to give me something free, I'll take it. And send me whatever. I'll try it out and do a video. I don't care. If I don't like it, I'll let you know. And if I do, send me more stuff. But now, like I said, I thought about it and finally bit the bullet and bought one and just wanted to share it. It's well worth it for the price, and it does a heck of a job. And if we get another deer, we're going to turn the whole thing into burger. So we'll really put it to use then. Thank you guys for watching. Hope it helped out. Help you make your decision on whether to pull the trigger on one of these or not. And we'll see you on the next go around. God bless. Have a good one.